Tired of the same old laptop experience? Craving a device that seamlessly blends the power of a desktop with the portability of a tablet? Look no further. In this video, we're diving deep into the Surface Laptop Studio 2, Microsoft's innovative two-in-one powerhouse. We'll explore its stunning 14.4-inch touchscreen display, the incredibly versatile dynamic woven hinge that allows for three distinct modes: laptop mode, stage mode, and studio mode, and the latest Intel processors that deliver blazing fast performance. We'll also take a close look at its premium build quality, impressive audio, and powerful graphics capabilities. Whether you're a creative professional, a demanding gamer, or simply someone who wants a truly unique and versatile computing experience, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is worth a closer look. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Design and build quality. Surface Laptop Studio 2. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 retains the innovative hinge design of its predecessor, allowing seamless transitions between laptop, studio, and tablet modes. It introduces subtle refinements in build quality with a sturdier magnesium aluminum chassis and improved hinge durability. These enhancements make it feel more premium and robust while maintaining its sleek and professional appearance. Display and visual experience. The Laptop Studio 2 features a 14.4-inch Pixel Sense Flow display with 120Hz refresh rate and improved color accuracy. The updated panel supports higher brightness levels, making it better suited for outdoor use. With enhanced HDR support and sharper visuals, the display is ideal for creative professionals working on photo or video editing projects. Performance and multitasking. Powered by the latest Intel Core i7 or i9 processors and NVIDIA RTX 4050/4060 GPUs, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 offers a significant boost in performance compared to its predecessor. It handles resource-intensive tasks like 3D modeling, video rendering, and multitasking with ease, ensuring smooth and efficient workflows for power users. Input and interaction. The Surface Slim Pen 2 integration is further optimized, offering improved precision and reduced latency for sketching and note-taking. The trackpad and keyboard have also been refined for better tactile feedback and responsiveness. These enhancements make the Laptop Studio 2 more versatile and enjoyable for both creative and productivity tasks. Connectivity and expansion. With updated port selection, including Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C, the Laptop Studio 2 supports faster data transfer and more versatile peripheral connections. It also includes an SD card reader, a feature missing from its predecessor, catering to photographers and videographers. Improved wireless connectivity ensures stable and faster internet and device pairing. Battery life and portability. The Laptop Studio 2 boasts a slightly longer battery life, offering up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge. This improvement, combined with its lightweight design, makes it a more portable option for professionals on the move. Its fast-charging capability ensures minimal downtime, catering to users with demanding schedules. There you have it. The Surface Laptop Studio 2, a testament to Microsoft's innovation and a true game-changer in the two-in-one laptop space. Its unique design, powerful performance, and impressive versatility make it a compelling option for a wide range of users. If you're considering a premium two-in-one laptop, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech news. Thanks for watching.